Humans are one of the largest species in the world. Their existence has been around for many centuries. Humans are an evolving species and they keep on evolving and developing new things and improving the way life works around them. However, did you know that humans are also the main reason for world pollution and we are slowly killing our earth? So what is pollution? It is the act of contaminating the natural environment and causing an adverse change to it. It occurs when pollutants, a waste material that disorders either air, water, or soil, contaminate the natural environment around us. It disturbs the ecosystem and the nature balance. Many types of pollutions are harmful in its own way. Three major pollutions have a tremendous impact on the ecosystem. They are air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Air pollution is the deadliest form of contamination. It happens due to the extreme burning of fuel, which is essential for humans' daily lives, for example, cooking, driving, building, and other industrial work. The smoke coming from these things are mainly oxides of carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen. By releasing these smokes into the air, it causes global warming and causes lung diseases and cancer, such as asthma and lung cancer. Water pollution is when foreign elements are introduced to water like chemicals or dangerous substances. Almost all species depends on water for living, and by polluting the water, we endanger the living beings, including humans, from the continuity of survival, and also we disrupt the food chain of the ecosystem. Several diseases are born within water pollution, for example, diarrhea and cholera, and lower respiratory infection. Soil contamination occurs when there is a high concentration of toxic chemicals that disturbs the soil and endanger plants, animals, and humans. The soil is a significant mean to food supply, and by disturbing the soil, we risk ourselves of being out of food shortly. Petroleum, mining, and chemical wastes released into the ground are what makes it endangered and unhealthy. What does these types of pollution cause? For starters, our air is becoming more and more contaminated by each day, and the increase of CO2 in the air smoke, which can limit the sunlight from reaching the earth, and by that preventing plants from processing photosynthesis. Gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide can cause acid rain. The release of greenhouse gases such as CO2 is causing global warming. Every day, new industries are being set up. New cars came on roads and trees are cut. Thus, it increases CO2 in the environment. The increase in CO2 leads to melting of Arctic ice, which increases sea level and poses a threat to the people living near sea areas. The decrease in quality of air leads to numerous lung problems including chest pain, throat inflammation, cardiovascular diseases, and respiratory diseases are some of the diseases that can be caused by air pollution. Water pollution occurs due to contamination of water and may pose skin-related problems, including skin irritations and rashes. Similarly, noise pollution leads to hearing loss, stress, and sleep disturbance. All of these examples are concerns to human health. This kind of things makes the human think what will happen if we continue doing the same thing over and over. What will become of our children and how will they live? We can reduce harmful emissions to our land, earth and water. Everyday choices have the power to make a difference and help protect our environment for a clean and sustainable future. Thank you.